Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where we may try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the fair value gaps and the levels that we had drawn yesterday. The analysis was that this fair value gap is a huge sell side liquidity, and these two candles were seen as positive because they did not respect this fair value gap. They were not respect candles like this candle, this second and third candle that you see here. This third and fourth candle that I said, I meant that you see here. If they were the first and second candle, it would have been counted as respect candles. But now it looks like there is some fresh selling coming in, but still the buyers are holding it. So you can see a triangle here, a triangular pattern. It's very likely that Nifty will in the coming days break out in either of these directions. And do not know, it could be now I'm not as optimistic as I was a couple of days ago. Well, let's get rid of these drawings from yesterday and start afresh with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, there is no bias on Nifty. That's why it's not sure here. There are no lower highs or higher lows formed. There is a higher low that you can see here, but until this monthly candle closes, this is not confirmed. And there are two important levels to look out for. That is the support and the resistance, buyers and sellers. This is support is 22,182 and the sellers are at 24,337.5. So don't mind me taking those exact levels. That is the swing low from August. And as you can see, that level is perfectly respected for the last 4 months. It is still being respected. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame is where I gather all the optimism from. This is a swing low. Let me just zoom in here. This, as you can see, is a higher low, and this is a higher low in the formation. Now, I sincerely hope this weekly candle does not break this low, and this is a higher low formation. So that is bullish. There is a fair value gap that was formed on its way up. So if ever Nifty decides to come down, then there's a fair value gap between 23,800 and 2600. It's a buy side liquidity. It should take a break there. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, here's where all the uncertainty starts. You can see this is a low, this is a higher low and a higher low, but at the same time this is a high, this is a lower high and a lower high. So this is sort of a triangular squeeze that's happening in Nifty, and the timing is also fair because it's a results season and everything is uncertain. So it all depends on the results that are coming out, that are bound to come out in the upcoming days. So interesting fact is there was a red fair value gap. That's a bearish fair value gap that was formed on the way down. That is what is actually eating into the buyer's liquidity right now. So and there is a buy side liquidity or a fair value gap, bullish fair value gap that was formed on the way up here. That was tested once, that was tested twice, and then now it's just laying in waiting. There are two important levels within this fair value gap, that is this swing high and this swing high. So if Nifty breaks all this and decides to fall down, this is where the actual cushion lies. That's 23,500, 400 levels. And if Nifty breaks out on the upper side, what's the target? Target is 24,600. So the upside target is 24,600 and the downside target is 23,500, 23,400 levels, with interim stops at 23,800 levels. So we need to wait and watch which side Nifty will break out on. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is again not sure. Similar patterns, lower highs, higher lows at the same time. On an hourly time frame, that's where Nifty is bearish. This is a swing high, and that's is it a low high? Hold on. Honestly, I hadn't done a proper analysis here. Yes, this is a swing high and this is a lower high form. So that is a bearish formation. That's it from my side for today. Uh, Results are up and down. Wipro didn't do well, so we need to look out for the major results that are coming in the upcoming days. I'm not a certified analyst, and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.